grow.
So can you take a look at the data and let me know how it performs?
Yeah, let me check up on it.
So we just launched our very first neural network. We've been on calls all week asking the early customers how it's performing. Now the plan is to get our company to $1 billion valuation, and I think this is what's gonna get us there. I gotta jump. I just realized I gotta be on a call with a big client. My team just called me this morning and said, hey, you gotta talk to Scott. He wants to talk to you about his first experience with AI.
I was going to tell you, I need to get you on here on our little podcast right now. It's starting to pick up some real good traction.
Yeah, let me see this sales floor.
This machine, hold on.
Oh my God. Wow.
Dude, it goes and goes and goes.
I'm doing amazing.
When I got that offering yesterday for asking price, I was shocked.
Wow. How much are you gonna make on that deal?
We're making on that deal. I think it's 30K, yeah.
$30,000 on one phone call.
One phone. So listen to this. I literally asked him, this is no BS. I said, was that the easiest deal that you've ever moved? And he said, I've never been able to move something so easy.
Welcome to the future of real estate investing, baby.
Baby, invested legend.
We're gonna make so much money. Today we're in Austin, Texas. We're on our way to Nick Perry's office. All right, catch up with his team, see how they're doing. They were one of the first companies we ever had on Investorlift. And we're gonna run some AI tests today. See if we can sell some of their properties using AI.
Guess what? She was stabbed to death in front of her house, at the house that is being sold, in front of a bunch of kids at a school bus by her estranged ex-husband, who is our seller's father, and it's his mother.
Okay, so the seller is the father.
Well, the seller is the son, and his mother was killed at the property by his father. And get this, at 7 a.m. on Valentine's Day, in front of a freaking bunch of kids. It was terrible.
Yeah. We know some properties no one else can sell.
Awesome. Give me an hour and a half. I'm currently driving, but I want to just finalize my numbers, and I'll send you a proof of funds and LOI, see if we can get this thing closed here. So what was the earnest money amount?
I think it's 3K. Yeah, 3,000.
All right.
Yep.
That's good. I'll get back with you in just a second.
All right, brother. Sounds good. Bye.
Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. It's gonna be the first one of the day.
Like that, yes, sir.
When they get people on the phone, they do 3-minute holds. Simple thing. When you're running the numbers, whatever, just put them on hold for 3 minutes. Now, when you put them on hold, mute yourself and listen. Is he on hold right now? Small little tweaks, take it to the next level.
You're gonna get back around 100,000.
That's fair enough.
Okay. So what I'll do, if you all call them, we're having a conversation for about 15 minutes or so. Of course, like every homeowner, they're gonna ask, can we come up on price? So we're at 267. Can you do at least 275 is what they say. Happens every time. But we left it on hold, just like Robert Winsley said, and we're getting all the information out of them. Looks like we're going to close the deal here in about 5-10 minutes.
Everything. Did he get it?
Yeah.
He got it? Sick. Okay, we got more updates.
Oh, one more, yeah. No, did the text first, call second, sent a quick little intro, waited 30 seconds, gave a quick call, picked up, and it was a warm lead before. Now it's a full-on red zone in a hot market, so.
Oh yeah.
About to see what this one becomes.
So guys, the tip there is before you call the seller, send them a text message from the phone number you're about to call them at. Just be like, hey, this is John from Want to Sell Now. Just received your offer request for 123 Maple Street. would like to chat and talk about getting you an offer. Is now a good time? ? Then wait 30 seconds and then dial. You're giving yourself a soft intro. Your initial contact rate will go through the freaking roof. And as a result, you're gonna make way more money of your existing lead flow.
One of these lives, I'ma make these right with the wrongs I done. That's when you not with the father, son, till then I fight.
Inside, I'm only seeing like the common areas in the gym.
Got off the airplane last night from Puerto Rico. The whole team has officially moved to Scottsdale, Arizona. Just picked up Lars. Lars, you excited to live in Arizona?
I'm very excited. I'm stoked.
So I got the back filled up with all my This is everything I own in the back of this vehicle.
Everything.
Literally, I don't own any furniture, but we're gonna go furniture shopping tomorrow. Restoration Hardware. I got an appointment with them tomorrow. But so Puerto Rico, you guys are probably wondering, why did we leave Puerto Rico? Hey, you guys want to see something? It's just like, you want to see something? Fucking cool. Let's see. Here, take this. Here, you got a call from someone.
Is it a
Oh, I know what this is.
Robert, how long have you been waiting for this?
Hello. 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 This is a Chinese stir-fry restaurant.
You know what that is?
Is this a dialer?
It's the Investorlift dialer.
Would you like sweet and sour pork?
That is a call. That is a fucking phone call.
Hell yes.
From Investorlift.
The first ever, and he's ordering Chinese.
It's sick. And app calling is coming. So I went down there because of something called Act 60, which if you commit to living 3 years down there, buy a property, hire at least one local employee, and do a bunch of other requirements, you can get 4% income tax and 0% capital gains tax. So I was like, okay, well, if I move down there, then if I sell Investorlift at some point, I could sell that tax-free, save myself, I think capital gains right now is around like 22%. So that would be a lot of money. Like let's say if I walked with 100 million, it's $22 million of tax savings. So we moved the team down there. And to be honest, last year we grew, but like we didn't grow as much as we did in previous years. Like the year prior, we had over 100% growth. I think we actually had 320 something percent revenue growth. Last year, we only had 25% revenue growth. So the problem we ran into when we got down there, I think it makes sense for the crypto guys because they don't need to hire people, but we need to hire people. And just all the logistics of getting people down there, I just realized that like, hey, if I want to take Investorlift to becoming $1 billion company, I can't be stuck in this scarcity mindset, right? So I went down there because I was trying to save on taxes, okay? And I was prioritizing that over growing revenue. Instead of thinking, how could I save money on taxes, what I should have done is thought about how could I make more money? I was operating from a scarcity mindset. It's a mistake that a lot of entrepreneurs fall into, and I was completely guilty of that. And that's why I made what I think was, like, I'm glad we went down there for a year to try it out, but it was a miscalculation. I should have just come straight to Arizona because I was looking at Arizona or Puerto Rico, and I was like, okay, lower taxes, Puerto Rico, I'm gonna go with that one. So Puerto Rico is still great, but only if you don't have to hire people. Like if you're in crypto or finance or e-commerce, things like that, 100% no-brainer. You should move down there. I know Corey Geary moved down there. He's doing a lot of crypto stuff. Makes complete sense for him, but when I need to hire like A-game salespeople, marketers, it just does not make sense. So decided to make the move to Arizona literally like, I don't know, like 45 days ago. And we just packed up, we rented this like truck, packed up 3 apartments in our truck, got all our leases in like 48 hours, and I had to do a lot of creativity there. And now we're moved officially to Investorlift. Look at this, we have Rolex and Patek Philippe right across the street. I'm in trouble. First comes, we need a mattress to sleep on, and we gotta get a couch, and then we'll work on it from there. I clearly have my priorities together. I don't even have a mattress, but I got a $3,000 espresso machine. Investorlift was built on caffeine, okay? Okay. All right. Keep me posted. I'm glad you're already on it. Okay. Let me know if you need anything else. Appreciate it. Thanks, brother. Bye. So when we rolled out the new deal site, one of the factors that goes into the algorithm is something called average dwell time. So it's like how long does the average user spend looking at the deal? And we rolled out the new front end, but apparently average time that people are spending on the site has spiked through the roof.
This is the buyer side?
Yeah. One thing that might be going on here is anyone that built scrapers on the old site, now it's fucked. All the scrapers just broke. All the deals are scoring at like 95, 100. That's not possible. When I looked at it last week, like most were like sub 60. So I was like, what the hell's going on? So I called up our AI engineer and he said, for some reason, when we launched the new deal site, the average time that the users are spending on the deals, the median time that they're spending on deals has increased 8x. So like that's a good thing in terms of like buyer behavior. If people are spending 8 times more time on the deal, that's a good thing. But that's now breaking the deal score. That's making all these deal scores like, oh, everyone's shopping so much more. These deals must be all incredible. So the AI is looking at that and it's like, oh, all these deals are incredible. I don't believe that. So the dwell time is going up substantially. That could mean that this is just a way better, easier user interface for buyers, and therefore they're spending more time on the deals. But that still is like, maybe that's a piece of it, but I suspect that probably what happened is there was a bunch of bots and scrapers that were on the site that they coded into the CSS elements of what the site used to look like. And when we launched the new version, that probably broke all those scrapers and fake bots, which is good. Like we just like anyone that built stuff on top of our old user interface scraping or using bots on the site, all that's broken. So that means we're leaving just like the real actual human buyer activity, which is a good thing. So this actually might be a very good thing. I don't know, but it's broken right now. At least the AI is broken right now. Everyone's thinking that they're getting 100% of their deal score, that their deals are really high. So we'll fix it. It'll be interesting. It's one of those things in tech. Like the more you fuck around, the more you find out. Around, we found out. Now we're gonna fuck around a little bit more, and we're gonna find out more. We'll see.